Hi lovelies, my name is Camille Knowles and I'm a CNM Natural Chef graduate. I'm also a best-selling author and founder of a 3 times award-winning skincare brand called The Beauty of Eczema. Today I'm going to share my story with you, why I studied the Natural Chef course and what I've gone on to do since. My story is that back in 2013 I was hospitalised with the skin condition eczema, and I've been on a mission since to live my most glowing life and share it with the world. And part of that was learning how to cook foods that would help my skin and others' skins glow. So just so you know how bad my eczema was, this is what it looked like. These were my hands back in 2013. This was my back in 2013. As you can see, there was not any part of my skin that was left undamaged. And this was my face back in 2013. It used to really hurt me seeing this picture, but now I'm really proud of the woman that I've become. And the reason that I decided to study at CNM was because I came up with these hope principles that helped me live my most glowing life. Part of that is living in the right environment, getting enough sleep, having a positive mindset, using the right skincare, and exercising, getting out in nature, having the right support around me. But another key area was E for eating well. And that's why I knew it was so important that I learned how to cook foods that would support me in creating recipes not only for myself, but for my glowing skin angel community. I am so proud to share with you that I have written a cookbook called Beauty of Eating Well by Camille Knowles. All recipes in there are gluten-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, but full of fun, flavour, colour and passion. Let me show you a few recipes. This is my book, The Beauty of Eating Well, and the whole ethos was to create recipes for glowing skin, but also to make them fun and exciting. And thanks to the College of Naturopathic Medicine and the Natural Chef course, I was able to learn how to write these recipes. So if you are thinking about becoming a natural chef, then I highly recommend the course. I'm wishing you the best of luck on your journey. Lots of love and glowing skin vibes, Camille.